Hello everyone, welcome to my channel SK Girly Skills. If you are first time at my channel, please like and subscribe. Today's video is very special. Let's recreate this cap with the baby's name. So it's gonna be very beautiful with that. Actually, when I saw this cap, this is of my nephew. I brought for him. So when I saw there was something missing. First of all, I drew a letter on it because his name starts with A letter. It's already looking beautiful. Let's start embroidery now. So I'm using here black embroidery thread. It's cotton thread which comes with 6 strands. So I'm not going to separate the strands because the writing should be matching with the lines which are printed on it. Here I'm starting embroidery with the back stitch. Back stitch is very helpful in writing alphabetical letters in small size. So it will be written very clearly. Some people also use chain stitch in writing letters, but if you are using 6 strands together, the chain stitch won't be helpful. If you are watching first time my videos, please like and subscribe to my channel. Your little support means a lot to me. Your support encourages me to work harder and make more useful videos for you. Look how beautiful it is looking. The little embroidery in this cap has completely changed the look of it. Soon I'll be back with a new video. Thanks for watching.